Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in RV, there yet on PC. If you're getting no audio, muffled sound, or your headphones aren't being detected, follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. Solution 1. Sometimes Windows chooses the wrong audio output device, which causes the game to have no sound. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Sound. In this window, find your speakers or headphones, select them and click Set Default. Now launch RV There Yet, and check if the sound is working. Solution 2. Your volume might be set too low without you realizing it. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume slider isn't set to the lowest level. Adjust it if necessary, then click Apply and OK. Solution 3. Incorrect bitrate settings or exclusive control can cause sound glitches or silence. In the same Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Set the default format to either 48,000 Hz studio quality or 44,100 Hz CD quality. You can also uncheck the option that says, Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Press Apply and OK to save the settings. Now test your sound again. Solution 4. Spatial sound can sometimes conflict with certain games. Open the Spatial Sound tab. In the drop-down menu, select Off or None. Click Apply and then OK. Now relaunch the game and check your audio. Solution 5. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause sound issues. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to find and install any available updates. Solution 6. If automatic updates don't fix it, reinstall manually. In Device Manager, right-click your audio device again. Choose Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and press Next. Wait for the driver to finish installing. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Even though it sounds unrelated, your graphics driver also handles HDMI audio and can impact sound performance. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to complete. Solution 8. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, use their app to keep everything up to date. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for Updates. If a new update appears, download and install it. Once it's done, restart your PC and launch RV There Yet. Again, your sound should now be working. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix sound not working in RV There Yet on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.